You know those paper animal things? Well, FCKIT, let's bring them back.
Oh, bingo, I got action. Slip and fall. Oh, pimp down, pimp in disgrace.
She looks just like a dream, the prettiest girl I've ever seen.
Over there in the dark.
Gucci, Fendi, Louis, Prada, взгляд тигрицы, все как надо.
Money, money, green, green, money's all I need. Money, money, green, green, money's all I need. Like a key.
Calcifer, you're being so obedient.
Not on purpose, she bullied me.
Not just anybody can do that.
Is it hot in here? Are you hot? I mean, you are hot. I mean...
I can't stop and look the other way, 'cause I know it could be, babe, and you never felt the same.
Liberando coisas de paper dark.
I think we should move in together.
Please, no.
I'll do the chores.
I got 'em made.
You pay the rent.
I fly solo.
We'll get bunk beds.
Bunk beds.
Best friends forever.
No thanks.
It'll be fun. You won't regret.
鲨鱼一家嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟，去参加嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟，盛大的嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟音乐舞会。
¿Cómo hacer este efecto en menos de un minuto? En tu navegador busca paperanimator.com. Una vez entres te registras y le darás al icono que está debajo de la casa y escribirás el texto que quieras que resalte en el efecto. Ahora solo le damos a crear y ya tendríamos la animación lista. Y sígueme si quieres saber más trucos como este.
I'm around, slow dancing in the dark. Don't follow me, you'll end up in my arms.
right there. We made a deal. 5 p.m. is study time. Operation Strix, Phase 2. In order to infiltrate my target's inner circle, we need to earn our way into his social gatherings. And to do that, Anya must become an Imperial Scholar.
عايز بطريقة سهلة تعمل زي الإفكت اللي قدامك؟ اكتب على جوجل بيبر انيميتر، واول لينك يظهر لك دوس عليه هيتفتح معاك، ودوس على كلمه لانش اللي فوق دي هيظهر لك كده على الجنب زي العلامه دي، دوس عليها وهيظهر لك بالشكل ده. اكتب الحاجه اللي انت عايزها وسيبها تحمل لحد لما تخلص، ولما تحمل بيسيب كده زي لوجو البرنامج على الفيديو، فانت بيبقى معاك زي رصيد معين تستخدمه وبيخلص. فلما تكون خلصت اعمل داونلود للفيديو هتبقى طالعه لك كده.
Let me show you how I made an entire neighborhood out of paper for my short film, The One-Star Penthouse. We're actually going to shoot the opening scene in the real London street that this set is inspired by, and for some time I was considering just flying a drone up in the sky for it without a permission, but in the end I decided not to do it because the law is my friend. As you might be able to notice, the further away the houses are from the camera, the less three-dimensional I made them, because from the camera's perspective, you wouldn't be able to tell anymore. Work smart, not hard, is a motto I live by, although in the end, I'm not even sure if any of these details are going to show up in the final film, which, considering all my work on it, is not that smart.
I'm in your hood, what's good? Let's have a journey too. If you cook, I'm with it. I know what it do.
But why do I always feel like I'm in the twilight zone? And I always feel like somebody's watching me. How and I think of all the times you screwed me over.
My vision so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you.
Spin the fucking bottle. If you the reason why
getting high. Gonna find you and take it slow. You
Shake, 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 shake.
Back in the 6th grade, I got the bad grades. I was in love with my tutor.
Gone as I planned. When you had to bid adieu, said you'd never love anew. I wondered if I could hold it and fall in love with it too. You told me to buy a pony, but all I wanted was you.
So that's how I would animate a penguin.
You just made a penguin come to life in 15 minutes.
I did. So maquettes. Maquettes were our drawing tools. This is an original maquette from The Lion King. This is Simba. And we use these as drawing aids. You know, when as an animator, you might get an angle that's difficult. And so you take down your maquette and you look at it from a different angle or whatever, and you draw it from that. And so this was always there. We always kept them on our desk. Whatever film we were working on, we would have characters from that film so that we could draw from them. And so I've got Simba right here, who happens to be painted.
Jaden, thank you.
I've got Nala right here, who's not painted. This is my character, Nala. And right here, I was talking earlier about Yao.
Who needs an app when you've got paper, a pen, and a little imagination? This is how motion pictures began. Simple drawings, clever layers, and a bit of movement. Just fold, draw, roll, and slide. And suddenly your picture comes to life. And here's the thing, you don't need to be some master artist. Stick figures? Totally fine. It's not about perfect drawings. It's about having fun, being creative, and watching your own little animation come alive. It's a great one to try with kids. They can invent their own characters, their own motion stories, and learn how simple art can move. No screens, no apps, just pure imagination in action. You don't need fancy tools to make magic. Sometimes all it takes is a pen, some paper, and that spark of curiosity.
can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slow.
Shake, 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 shake.
Back in the 6th grade, I got the bad grades. I was in love with my tutor. See, musically, look what you stressing, man. Most of you actors, man. I ain't wanna be with you. I ain't wanna be with you.
Here's a tutorial on how I do paper tweening. So first, grab a sketchbook, a pen, or something to color with. Then I draw different parts of the character on paper, and sometimes I also draw the words too. And then I go to a room to take a picture there. After I took the picture, I import it into Ibis Paint. And then I remove the background. I erase the things that's surrounding the drawing, and then removing it using the lasso tool like this. And then when I'm done removing it, I duplicate the drawing and resize the layers. I then change the layer opacity by pressing the eye on all the layers and then save them one by one until I'm done with it. After that, I create a new project on a light. Motion to put parts of the drawings you've made, and there you go!
You can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slow.
Shake, 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 shake.
Back in the 6th grade, I got the bad grades. I was in love with my tutor. See, musically, look what you stressing, man. Most of you actors, man. I ain't wanna be with you. I ain't wanna be with you.
I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night.
friends I keep are the ones I can cancel on. I might bug out last minute on a party when the appetizers are hot and the music going strong. My introverted self might just leave early and crawl into the pages of a novel. But when the chips are down, I'm on my way, probably with snacks. I'm like that dark chocolate marzipan in the assorted box of chocolate, a little too intense and not quite sweet enough for everyone's taste. Plus, some folks are allergic to nuts. Over decades of navigating friendships, I've noticed that I tend to draw other marzipan people into my orbit. The kinds of friends who show up with an extra latte at an early soccer match. The friends whose eye contact in a PTA meeting sparks a knowing grin and a suppressed giggle. Friends who remember when an in-law is in town and send snarky texts, a damn it doll, or drop off a batch of their signature ugly muffins. And for whom I, too, will go the literal and metaphorical extra mile to deliver her favorite dark chocolate. Not because chocolate solves any problems, but because friends who show up do. I've learned to show up for me, too. I notice when I'm lonely and need a conversation, a connection, a laugh, a hug, whether I need a long hike with a few friends or to stream a yoga video from my living room. Just me and my downward dog. I'm becoming the kind of person who treats herself with the same compassion as she treats her dearest friends. The kind of person my friends can cancel on last minute. I'll be bummed. I'll miss them. But I get it. Our friendship will transcend the calendar. We can reschedule. And we will. Happy Galentine's Day to the friends I cancel on some days and count on every day.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. But why do I always feel like I'm in the twilight zone? And I always feel like somebody's watching me.
How and where I think of all the times you screwed me over.
My vision so hard, make me say, oh my Lord, thank you.
Spin the fucking bottle. If you the reason why it's empty, spin the fucking bottle.
Bottom jean boots with the fur, the whole.
Now what? Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slow. Here I come.
Back in the 6th grade, I got the bad grades. I was in love with my tutor. See, musically, look what you struggling, man. Most of you want me actors, man. I ain't wanna be with you. I ain't wanna be with. Come on.
I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night. Yeah.
I don't give a fuck who talk behind my back, cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear.